Hi, in this video, I'd like to talk about Google Docs. What are they, who uses them, and why are they useful? First of all, who uses Google Docs? Students, teachers, anyone who wants to work on a document with a group of people. There's an old saying, work smarter, not harder. In the past, if we wanted to work on a document with others, we would email them a copy as an attachment. However, this created a big problem. When the others in our work group finished making changes, there would be multiple copies of the document. This caused more work and anxiety to the original author of the document because they would have to identify the changes in each copy and put those changes into one document. There's a solution. The solution is Google Docs. It solves this problem by allowing one person to share a document that others can make changes to without creating multiple copies. Now I'd like to show you how to create a document to share in Google Docs. The first step, if you have Gmail, then you'll already have access to Google Docs. And on my computer, because I have ACC Gmail, I can go up here to the right corner and hover over this symbol here that I'm pointing to in the right-hand corner. It says Google Apps. If you choose that, you'll get a selection of things. And we want to share a document, so we choose Google Docs here, this blue one that I'm pointing to. Choose that. And it gives you some templates that you can use. Depends on what you want to. You could start with a blank document, and that's what I'm going to use. So let's say you were creating a classroom newsletter, and you wanted others to work on it with you. Then you could maybe start with a blank document, and it opens up this screen here. It's like a blank piece of paper, and maybe I'll just call it classroom newsletter. I could add other things. I could add sections, whatever I wanted to add to the letter. I could add headings and so forth. Once I'm done and I want to share this with others, then I will go over here to the left-hand side and hover over the word file, choose that. And then one of my options, the first option, is share. I would choose share and I want to give my document a title. It'll automatically use whatever you typed in first. And since I typed in classroom newsletter, it has that as a title. I could name it something else if I want to, and then click save. The next step is to share. Here at the top of this screen, it says add people in groups. At this point, I would just type in a person's email address, and you can put as many people as you want to on this list. If the person already has Gmail, you can usually just type in their name and it would automatically load their Gmail email address on there. Once you've added the people that you want to share it with, you click done. And that's all there is to it. I would have shared this with someone if I put their name in there. And that's all you really have to do. If you have any more questions, just let me know. I'd be glad to help you. Thanks.